In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table variable in Copilot Studio. We'll walk through the process together in a simple, practical way so you can set up a table variable and use it later in your bot conversations. This is especially useful when you want to store structured data in rows and columns rather than saving just a single value. To get started, open your Copilot in Microsoft Copilot Studio and go to the Topics page. This is where you manage the conversation flows and logic for your bot. So it's the right place to begin when you want to add a variable that supports a specific topic. Once you're on the topics page, open an existing topic if you already know where you want to use the table. If not, you can create a new topic and build it there. The main goal is to be inside the topic where this variable will be used so you can configure it in the right context from the start. Next, click the plus icon to add a new node. From the available options, choose Variable Management and then select Set a Variable Value. This node allows you to create and assign data directly inside the topic flow, which makes it a good choice for defining a table variable manually. In the Set Variable field, click the drop-down and select Create New Variable. This tells Copilot Studio that you want to define a brand new variable instead of updating an existing one. After that, rename the variable so it's easy to identify later. A clear name is helpful, especially if your topic grows more complex or if you plan to reference the variable in multiple places. Now move to the value field. This is where you'll enter your table data using the proper formula syntax. Be sure to use square brackets and curly braces correctly to define the table, including the rows and columns. The formatting matters here because Copilot Studio reads the structure exactly as written. Taking an extra moment to check your syntax can help you avoid errors and make sure the variable works as expected. Once your table data has been entered, save the topic. This final step makes sure your new table variable is stored and ready to use in your bot conversations. Saving also gives you a good checkpoint before you continue building additional logic around that data. That's all it takes to create a table variable in Copilot Studio. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.